Good morning, students. Today we can continue the same exercise 15.1. So next question number 6. Refer to table 14.7, chapter 14. We have to find the probability that a student obtain less than 20 percentage marks in mathematics test. So first we have to find probability of a student obtained less than 20 percentage marks in max, right? This is the first one. Second one probability that a student obtain marks 60 or above. So probability of a student get marks 60 or above. So these two are the question we have to find, right? So one table is given in the table 14.7. It's from chapter 14. Okay, we have to refer those table and find the probability that a student obtained less than 20 percentage in the mathematics test. Find the probability that a student obtained marks 60 or above. These two are the questions. So let me take the table first. So students, this is the table which is given in 14.7. Okay, what are the informations given here? Marks 0 to 20 range, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 and above written here. And number of students obtained these range marks 0 to 20, 7 students, 20 to 30, 10 students, 30 to 40, 10 students, and continuing like this. Total number of students is 90. So from the table itself we will get total number of students is equal to what? 90. So total is equal to 90. First question, probability of a student less 20 percentage marks in max. So the given marks are out of 100, which is given here. Test of 100 marks. So 20 percentage less means 20 percentage of 100 marks, 20 percentage of 100 mark is 20, right? 20 percentage of 100 is 20. So less than 20, that is means 0 to 20. All other marks are above 20, right? So it is not less than 20. So 0 to 20, how many students are there? 7 students got 0 to 20 marks. So number of students obtained less than 20 percentage mark is equal to what? This 7. So probability of a students get less than 20 marks, so 20 percentage marks in mathematics, which is equal to, what is the equation for finding probability? Number of favorable outcome, that is 7 students. 7 divided by total number of outcome. What is the total number of students? That is 90. So 7 divided by 90 is the answer. Okay, next, a student get marks 60 or above. So from 60 to 70 and 70 and above, all these are above 60, correct? 50 to 60 is less than 60 only. It is ranging from 50 to 60. So 60 to 70 and 70 and above are the marks which is getting more than 60. So we have to find out the number of students, those who are getting 60 and above. So number of students, those who are getting 60 and above, that means this 15 and also 8. So 15 plus 8, which is equal to 23. 23 is the number of students, those who are getting 60, more than 60 marks, correct? So how can we calculate the probability? Probability of a student getting marks more than 60 means this 15 plus 8 divided by total number is 90. How we will get this 15 and 18? 88. So 15 is the number of students who get the marks from 60 to 70 and 70 above 8. So we should take the sum of these two number of students. 15 plus 8, we will get here 23 divided by, this is the number of favorable outcomes. Divided by total number of outcome means total number of students, that is 90. So 23 divided by 90 is the answer. Okay. Next question number 7. Case number 7 is to know the opinion of the students about the subject statistics. A survey of 200 students was conducted. So from that step itself, we will get total number of students is equal to what? Students is equal to what? 200. So in on the denominator we can represent this 200 because total number of students which is given in the question, that is 200. Okay. The data is recorded in the following table. So out of these 200 students, 135 students told that like statistics subject. Okay. and 65 students given the opinion that they dislike statistics. Okay, so we have to find the probability that is student chosen at random like statistics. So first we have to find probability of students like statistics. I written it as stat. Okay, so probability of students like statistics. How many students are liking statistics? 135 students like statistics, right? So these are the number of favorable outcome. This 135 divided by total number, it is total number of students is 200. So 135 divided by 200 is the answer. Next, B part, probability of a student chosen at random, probability of the student does not like it. So student does not like stat is equal to what? How many students dislike? 65. Dislike means does not like, right? Dislike, how many students? 65. So this 65 divided by total number remains same, 200. So the answer is 65 divided by 200 is the answer. Okay, next, case number 8. Refer to case number 2, exercise 14.2. What is the empirical probability that an engineer leaves? First one, less than 7 kilometers from her place of work. Next, second one. So these are the three questions we have to find. Less than, we have to find the number of engineers leaves less than 7 kilometers from her place of work, more than or equal to 7 kilometers from her place of work, within half kilometer from her place of work. So in this question, case number 2, exercise 14.2, something data is given that some engineers are leaving some places within this kilometer, means distance from their living place to workstation is given in this question. So we have to refer that table, then we have to answer this question. Okay. So this is the required question, the distance of 40 engineers. So directly we can write total number of engineers is equal to what? 40. So for total number we got it from here itself. From their residence to their place of work were found as follows. So these are the distance of 40 engineers from their house to workplace, correct? So first of all, make it in a descending or ascending order. It is easy to calculate the answer. Okay, so first make this data in ascending order. So first we can trace 2. How many 2s are here? In this row, no 2. Here it is 1 2 1. Again here 2. So only 2 2s are there. I am representing 2 2 here. Next 3. 1 1. Next 3 is where? 2 3. Here no 3. So we are writing 3 3 3. Next you should check 4. Where is 4? No 4 here. Here also no 4. Here also no 4. Here also no 4. Next you can check 5. 1. Next is here 2. So only 2 5. So 5 5. So I rearrange all the terms, 40 numbers, all these 40 numbers I represented here in the ascending order. First I represent 2 2, next 3 3 3, next 5 5, next 6 6, 7 7 7 7. So 8, only 1 8 is there. I represented 9 10 until 32. I represent all these numbers in the ascending order. So next we have to find the probability of less than 7 kilometer, probability of number of engineers who lives less than 7 kilometer from her place of work. So first, probability of number of engineers living less than 7 kilometer from her place of work. What is the equation? Number of favorable outcome. Less than 7 means you cannot take 7 because 7 means equal to 7 only. So less than 7 means you have to calculate all these values. You should count all these values. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, correct? So out of this 40, these 9 are living less than 7 kilometer distance. So how can we calculate the probability? Probability of number of engineers less than 7 kilometer. How many are there? 9. So this 9 divided by total number, it is 40 only. So 9 divided by 40 is the answer. Next, second part. More than or equal to 7 kilometer from her place of work. So more than or equal to. So you should take this 7 also. From here you should count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So total 31 are living equal to or more than 7 kilometer, right? So this 31 divided by 40 is the answer. Probability of number of engineers is living greater than or equal to 7, correct? Next we have to calculate within half an hour. So if we are checking in this table, within half an hour no one is living. Minimum is 2 kilometer only. So within half an hour no one means 0 employees are leaving within half an hour. So this 0 divided by 40, total number of employees 40. 0 by 40 is equal to 0. So probability of the number of engineers living within half kilometer means answer is 0. Okay.